Hey y'all, welcome back to Sin City Review. Today we're checking out a Glock 21, of course chambered in 45 ACP. As you can see, this is MP3 coated for the slide in the barrel. As far as the work performed, basically it did a full grip reduction and of course the waffle stippling. You can see the take up under the trigger guard there. Of course I always leave that polish down to about 1000 grit so it doesn't eat up the soft part of your finger, the inside. Yeah, other than that, if you follow my channel, you've seen this many times. Every customer is a little bit different, wants it done, slightly in a different way, but for the most part, you get the same texture. It's just different amount of coverage on the gun and what you're personally looking for. But I think this one looks pretty cool. Got a really nice grippy texture, but it won't tear up your skin either. There's no flyer, there's no frays, so you do those little peaks as you pull the stippler away. It kind of frays sometimes, and that's where you get those little shards and sharp edges that will irritate your skin, but I've got it down to where that doesn't happen, and it's just nice, smooth texture. If you look across my fingertips right there, you can see there's no flyers. It's just clean. It's nice. Anyways, y'all, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, as always, leave them, and I'll answer accordingly. Pretty sweet little piece. Until next time.